This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Holly Bryant. Wow! This exquisite 3-bedroom/2.5-bath home situated on a quiet cul-de-sac in Brittany Place features an open concept floor plan, cathedral ceilings, large windows, west plantation shutters and blinds allowing for tons of natural light, an oversized master on main, eat-in kitchen plus breakfast bar, family room, and fenced corner lot, west professional landscaping, in-ground sprinkler system and plenty of privacy. Other features include completely remodeled kitchen, west granite countertops, updated baths, new water heater, flow water monitoring system, new Ryobi garage door opener, Wi-Fi system, west code pad, crown molding in family and master bedroom, garage workshop, an extra large deck with arbor perfect for entertaining outdoors, and tons of extra storage space throughout the home. For more information, review the details below or contact Holly Bryant at 865-693-1111.